Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing a little baby chick with its mom and at the farm. So the ingredient and supplies you will need is a chick bag. I'll show you. Chick with the mama. There, and there's some markers. If you're using a black, if you do not want to use a Sharpie, use a black marker. And if you're using a Sharpie, make sure there's lots of papers under. And the third thing, the last thing you'll need is some paper. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our marker. And we're going to also get
Who can it not be? Who can
our
it be? Who can not
chick
be?
chick bag, and we're going to copy it. I'm going to copy it. You don't have to. You could just copy me. Ready? First thing you're going to do is you're going to do this, but you're going to stop there. Do little things like that, and then you come back here. It will probably look like a minion at first, but trust me. So if you can't see it, this is how it looks like. So you draw three grasses on his head and draw a circle. Actually, circle. Then after that's done, we're going to draw, we're going to draw some wings, so the baby chick is going to be facing its mama. So we're going to draw a rainbow, now we're going to draw little zigzags on the bottom, like this. After that's done, we're going to draw the little cute eyes. It's going to be looking at little mom. And we're going to do the highlights. Don't color in the highlight, just do the highlight. Two, like that. And then we're going to do the beak, like that. So we're going to do an eye, a cute eye with eyelashes, and one sideways V for the beak, or one sideways triangle. After that's done, the little chick needs legs, right? Let's draw the legs. First thing we're going to draw is two lines right here. 2 lines, and then 2 zigzags. Like that. You see? It's upside down. See? So that's how it should look like. Then we're going to get your yellow marker. You also will need a yellow marker for this project. And you're going to color that in. So I'm going to get it to my side. And you're going to color it in, whatever you want. So this part, you could take your time. Because this could be for your mom too, not just the kissing emoji face. This could be for your mom too, because you love your mom, and the baby chick could be you, and the mama chick could be your mom. Or if it's Father's Day, then you could give this to your dad. Just don't draw eyelashes. But soon it's going to be Mother's Day, not Father's Day. Keep on forgetting that. Wait. Keep on coloring. That's how it looks upside down. And this is how it looks right side up. After you're done with that, I'm going to get some markers. Just go back. Does that make sense? Okay, after that's done, I'm gonna color in the beak in orange. Oh, and you will also need orange. Color the beak in orange. Then you will also need blue or green if you want the eye color to be blue or green. Yeah, coming. And then we're gonna color the feet. Anya, come here. What did Mama tell you to do?
What?
What did Mama tell you to do?
Tell me to include
All right.
me.
Okay. All right, and this is the finishing touch. You could draw some grass, zigzags. So if you want to draw Mama, you can. So I'm gonna draw Mama. So I need to turn it to my side, and then I'll turn it to your side. So the Mama is gonna be bigger. So. Mama's gonna be fatter. Then we're gonna draw the big white eyes, as you can see. Big another one, and then big again, so you draw like 2 circles. Color that in and draw some eyelashes. It should look like that. Could probably be kissing. Yeah, they could be kissing. Mom's very fat. I drew it kind of weird. Since they're both mother and daughter, let's draw them both have the same eye color. Then let's color them in with yellow, as you can see, and color. Oops. Color that in. So while I'm coloring that in, Anya, you could talk. You could talk. So, Anya's gonna have another video after mine.
Yeah.
Just so you know. Go ahead.
I'm gonna do it about a chick again.
No, you can't copy me.
But I want to do a chick.
You could do a rabbit.
No, I want to do chick. And we don't have rabbit bags. We only have chick bags.
I could teach you how to draw a rabbit.
In the bag.
And then you're gonna take your orange again for the beak and for the legs. Make sure you have lots of paper under. If you're using a Sharpie. But this is not a Sharpie. Or this. Or this. Only the black one is a Sharpie. Anyways, we're going to, if you want to do it for your mom, you could. And I could say, happy, to my mom, happy Mother's apostrophe S, Mother's Day, Mama. I love. You could say the same message. You. If you want to do it for your dad, you could change the mothers into fathers, but this is a Mother's Day present. If you do not want to fold it, it's okay. So this is the finishing touch. So it looks. And let me read it to you. It says, Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. So you could write the same thing. Then after that, if you do not want to fold it, it's okay. But if you want to fold it, you fold it. Oops. Should have looked before I pushed down. There we go. I said yesterday I have a new channel, and I really do, but not right now. Okay, and this is how it looks like when it's folded. Ta-da! Okay, and that's how you make a Mother's Day chick or a Father's Day chick present. Then you could wrap it in an envelope or just give it to them like this. But that's the end of our video. Thank you so much. Bye.